Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I get you covered. Today's video is a really fun one. I'm excited. I've placed an order of the patrickta Major Headlines a blush palette. When it first launched at Sephora, it was sold out so fast, and then I did one of those things where you sign up and they notify you when it's back in stock, and I bought it, and it was pretty quick. It came quickly. I can appreciate that from Sephora. Their shipping is always really good. So today I'm going to go over a review, try on, it's kind of the breakdown of the video, this really, really beautiful palette. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. I have some notes here on the palette, just quickly. So for starters, it retails for $58. Now, that's a lot of money to spend on blush, I know, but I justified my purchase by saying that I technically got 6 blushes for $58 because you have 2 formulas here. You have powder and you have cream. So this is what it looks like. That's the little, this like little plastic thing protects the cream. And that's what it looks like. You have 3 different shades. This one is She's a Doll, She's Vibrant, and She's Baked. So you have a nice, oh, why did it get so dark? Oh, okay. All right, perfect. So you have a nice color scheme here. You have a blue-based pink color, which is really pretty to brighten up like almost any skin tone, to be honest. You have that like peachy apricot in the middle. That's also a really pretty color. It's vibrant. And then you have, which I think is one of the most beautiful colors in this palette, is the She's Baked one, which is a warm, like a warm berry shade, I would describe it as. I don't know. It's beautiful. Their blushes typically retail for, shoot, I forgot how much. I want to say maybe $30, the duo, and this is not, from what I've seen, it doesn't look that much smaller than the original one. So you're getting a really good deal. Now, his blushes are known to be very, very good, very long wear, beautiful, just created nicely. Like, I swatched these and the powder is very like pressed in nice and it's finely milled. The creams are super creamy. But now I know you're wondering, are there any dupes? I will have a dupe video for you very soon in regards to some of these shades, or at least the texture. So just gonna say that. Now, I saw a video where patrickta was talking about it over here on YouTube. Highly recommend you watch it. This is my first patrickta purchase, by the way. And I'm glad I purchased it because I think this is a good way to kind of, try different colors in blush. And you know I'm a blush girl, so. Alright, so his method of applying these is you do the powder first and then you do the blush on top to give it a glow. That's a new technique for me. Well, not for me because I've done that personally, but I know that most people say you do the cream and then you do the powder on top to kind of set it. So I'm going to try it his way for you guys because that's how he recommends to use it. I do have up close swatches as well, but I'll swatch it for you guys quickly here. So yeah. Alright, I think I'm going to swatch them this way. I swatched them the other day and like I washed my hand and like that's crazy staying power. Maybe I need to use like an oil-based cleanser. So the first one, She's a Doll. This is what it looks like. It's very, very creamy, very beautiful. That's She's a Doll. And now this is the powder version of it. Next, She's Vibrant. Like, look at those colors. Crazy, right? And She's Baked. Super pretty. Again, I'll cut into swatches where they're up close so you guys can see.
We're going to start off with She's a Doll. This is the cream. Next, I'm going to use the powder. It's very smooth. Now She's Vibrant. The cream. And the powder. This is a brighter color. And last, She's Baked, which is actually more of like a warm terracotta, not a berry like I mentioned before. And here's the powder. It's really, really pretty.
Alright, so you see the swatches, very, very pretty. Now we're gonna go and apply it to my face. Alright, so I only have 3 cheeks on my face. I only have 2 cheeks on my face and 3 blushes. So I'm only gonna be able to do 2 at a time because these are very pigmented and I don't want it to kind of, if I do one and then I do a different color on top, it may alter it unless I do the pink one and the like apricot color one. Maybe I'll do that. Alright, so we're gonna start off on this cheek. I'm gonna go in with, this is the color I'm dying to use, to be honest with you, is She's Baked. So we'll start off with this one. We'll do it patrickta's technique. Gonna go in with a blush brush. If you're curious, this is the Morphe M554. And I'm picking up, I literally just tapped it in. That's a nice amount that I picked up. So I'm gonna just start applying it to my cheek. Oh, it's pigmented. I applied a decent amount. That's only going in twice, and that is pigmentation. Wow. Alright, I'm flipping my brush over just to kind of blend it out a bit. This color is very, very pretty. Very pretty. I feel like you can definitely build this up even more. So if you are a tan, rich, deep skin tone girl, yeah, don't worry about it. I think this palette is gonna be good for you. So see, that's that color. And I just want to show you, not much kickback either. See the powder? Not much kickback. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the cream part. And I'm just going to go over top. To me, it has more of like it's not a matte finish, it's like a satin finish. I don't know that it's very dewy, but I like it. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. I can't believe this pigmentation is insane. Alright. Gonna just dust off my brush. And on this side, we are going to use, let's use the pink one. So I'm gonna take my brush, I literally just tapped it in like once and look how much it picks up. That's insane. Alright, so I'm taking that. I'm gonna just, that's really pretty. I went in twice with that one as well. That's really nice. I can't believe how pigmented this is. Alright, this completely blew my mind as far as pigmentation goes. Was not expecting, like, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like when people get their blushes and they throw them in a palette, especially around holiday, it's, I don't know. It can either be very good where they don't compromise on formula or quality, or it can be terrible where they do compromise on it and it's like not good. Alright, so I'm picking up that pink color and I'm just going to go over top. It definitely gives it a nice pop when you use them both together. Though I think the powders on their own really are beautiful. Like, this is great. Look at that. I can't believe that. Alright, one of the things that patrickta did mention in his YouTube video was because this pinkish tone like powder for the under eyes is trendy, he said that you can take, I'm going to try it, I don't know if this is going to be good or not, but you can take a little bit of the pink, like a very little bit, like I just did here, and you can use that underneath your eyes to kind of brighten up. I don't know that I see a difference, to be honest. Maybe somebody who's more fair will probably see a difference, but I don't. But it was just an option to try. So let me just get my brush and sort of blend everything through. Super, super pretty. These colors are definitely surprising. I know when they swatched, they were pretty bright, but when I applied them, they were still bright. So I can say that they did not compromise in quality in this product at all. It's pigmented. It's easy to use too, because you can just layer it on. Same thing with the creams. Let me see something, because I didn't start off with cream on my face, but in case you're in the mood to not use powder, let's see, I'm just gonna, like if this was the cheek, and you were to kind of blend it, like you still get a beautiful color payoff. So yeah, I think this is an excellent palette. I think it's a great deal for 6 blushes, cream and powder. So if you were on the fence about it, get it. And if it's sold out, I'm not sure if it is, just sign up for notifications, but definitely get your hands on it because I can see why it sold out so quick the first time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!